Hey guys, do not mess up this opportunity with NVDA that is staring us right in the face right now. Obviously, the more negative news that comes out, the media, right, each day the stock goes down, we get a little more fearful and a little closer to clicking the sell button, okay? Now, obviously, if you've held this stock for a long time, hopefully you already trimmed some of your gains, okay, and you made some money on it. This video is more for the people looking to enter this stock who haven't been in it. This is your opportunity, guys, to dollar cost average while it's below $120 a share again. Remember, it's below what the price was before the stock split even. Now, there's some support at 109 bucks a share, so it could go as low as that. There's always a chance it goes lower, but I believe that it'll bounce off of that level if it ever went that low, okay? But even at this price, I'm okay dollar cost averaging when it's coming down, because this is the best company in the world, guys. And remember, their 5-year forward price earnings ratio is in the historic norm, okay, of where it's been. And after earnings, their forward price earnings has tended to go down because they're beating and raising on their numbers, okay? Now, this is going to be a little bit harder earnings report to beat. Again, it's going to be in later August. I haven't looked recently to see if they confirmed their date yet, but somewhere around August 21st, okay? But it's going to be harder for them to show really big revenue and earnings per share growth on that report. But if anyone can do it, it's NVIDIA, okay? And they have the Blackwell chip later, which is another catalyst, which is changing the game, okay? And the huge market share they have. We all know this stuff by now, and you can say, hey, that's priced in. But remember, what's not priced in is their Omniverse, okay? That hasn't even blown up yet. The digital twins, and then, like I said, the Blackwell chip, their next generation stuff, and how they're coming out with a new chip every year to stay ahead of the competition. So I like the industries that NVIDIA can get in, okay? And it's not over yet. I don't think this rally is over, even though we've seen a sharp sell-off, and it could be a healthy correction, guys. It could go down more, like I said. But instead of being fearful, this is the time to be thinking about buying the dip and dollar cost averaging slowly as it goes down. Get your cost basis looking good for the next leg up. So I do expect this stock to bounce back and retest the highs we saw, which are around 140. Okay, I could see that happening still before their earnings report leading up to it. And then it's going to be that prove it moment where they need to beat and raise on earnings, like I said, healthily. If it's underwhelming guidance, I think they're going to beat on both. But if it's not a huge beat, that could be enough to have the stock take another pause, okay, and stay down for a bit and trade in a range. So just be aware of that. I do think with NVIDIA being the picks and shovel play with all the business that they're getting right now on a global scale, okay, and the catalyst on the horizon, and with them still not trading at a historically expensive PE, that this stock still has room to go higher, especially with an interest rate cut on the horizon. Yes, that does help out with small caps more because of how much they've been left behind, and it's good to play the IWM like I've been talking about. But NVIDIA is the best company in the world, and I just don't want you guys to forget that. So if you're not in this stock, start dollar cost averaging slowly. You're going to make some money, guys. This is one of the safest ones you can be in out there.